So if you are in the market for some really stylish, durable faux leather seat covers, then you need to check these out. As you can see right here, these do fit a lot of makes and models. Just make sure you're checking the description. You have these seat cushions right here that have the straps. There is the back of it. These are waterproof, super easy to keep clean. You can just wipe them down. Finally, your back seat covers. And of course, there's some snaps up here that you can put around your headrest. This is even super nice. It has pockets and then this flap that comes down. And again, it's got super cushiony lining to it. Very, very soft. This is a really, really nice set. So let's go install them. So we're getting ready to put the seat covers on. Just wanted to show you exactly the things that we are trying to hide. He has cloth seats. They get very dirty and they rip. So these nice leather seat covers are going to be perfect. I want to thank the brand for sending them to us. I've already got one side done. Looks really nice. So you're going to want to put these circle hangers in between the seats. That's what holds them nice and tight. Takes a little bit of finagling, but once they're in there, they're nice and secure. Just like the back cover, you're going to want to take those circle hangers and push them between the seats. Again, that's what keeps them securely on the seats themselves. So as you can see, we got them all installed. They look really nice. They are super soft because they're made out of leather, and it covered that big rip that was in the seat here. So if you are looking at grabbing some of these, make sure you check the make and model in the description. I hope this video has helped.